Hey guys, welcome back to Rough and Stitch Options Trading. And today I wanted to do a short video on AMD. This morning, on the open of this trading session, also actually it's pre-market. AMD did very well today. Moved from about $194. Let's zoom that a bit more, about $194 to 216 bucks, and this was because some news came out. Seems to be bullish news. Apparently they have signed a multi-year deal with Meta Platforms to supply 60 billion in AI chips, hence boosting AMD shares by over 14% pre-market trading. Now this is some good news. This is some good news for for AMD and Meta. The only thing that I'm seeing here, and guys, this is just my opinion. I really like AMD. I really want to find an entry in AMD because it's a really good stock. Because I remember the last time I traded AMD was when it was about 83 bucks. You guys remember when AMD dropped to about 79, $80? Yep, that was when I traded AMD. That was in, yeah, April 2025. Yeah, pretty much. But anyway, since then, AMD, you can see, made a new highs of about 266 bucks. So anyway, what I'm trying to say here is that, the news that came in today, it's very good news. I like that type of news. I only wished that the overall market would be in an upward trend, making higher highs and higher lows. And by that I mean, the market making this type of move upward. I would have loved that news if the market was doing that, but it makes me a little bit skeptical because we can see when the news came out, AMD just gapped up. I mean, we have a gap down here. This was from October 2025. We had this gap up. AMD was trading in an island up here, just trading in its own island. You can see had a gap down around here. Right here, we can see this gap right here. Came below the moving averages, and now we are in this box right here. Let me draw that nicely, not just haphazardly. So right now we are in this type of a range right here, just trading inside that range. My only concern is that, we can see AMD came and tried to test this level, this previous resistance level as support. Let me just highlight it. So this area, uh, right here, it held above the 100, held the 100, held the 100, broke, came and tested right here. So you can see right here and right here. And ever since, it's just been hanging, trying to make this as a support. But like I said, my only concern with this is we have this gap that it has left. So we can see it came and tried about there. So we have this gap in here that it has left. And that's the only thing that really worries me in AMD. I do like it. I do like how it's pumping, but this is the only thing that's making me a bit worried. Um, and that's just my opinion. Not deterring anyone from buying the stock, buying options. As long as you have a good risk management strategy in place, that's you. You do you. That's just an opinion I'm sharing on here. Meta, the same thing. We can see Meta. I'm just trying to do a comparison between AMD and Meta and what I see. So we can see Meta. We had discussed this box here and why Meta is just hanging out here and why we want, if it's really bullish, we want Meta to hold here, probably have this 100 down here, come and catch up with Meta, see some form of support right here, and then, have something of that sort. But as of right now, I'm still a bit skeptical. I do a whole lot of swing options trading. I'm a bit skeptical about going long on stuff until we have the NVDA earnings out of the way. because those are coming up tomorrow. Yep, NVIDIA earnings. Yep, they're coming out tomorrow on the 25th. You've seen NVIDIA today really trying to break out of this area. It's really, really trying. I don't know how this is going to end. We can only wait and see what happens tomorrow, Wednesday. For me, it's just looking at the charts and doing an analysis of what I'm seeing here. If it's legit, it's not legit. Only way to know is trading what you see, trading the trend. What do you see out here? But for right now, Nvidia still in the same area. I mean, if Nvidia is going to be a catalyst, we can see maybe the stock market start moving upwards. Just don't know. Just don't know. We have to wait and see. But as far as everything else, you got Nvidia right there. You got Meta hanging in this box, about same box we had here, 628 to 640. It's just hanging out there. I mean, I do hope that it's collecting buyers here, because I mean, if this thing drops or fails to hold here, then probably try hold the 100. I mean, we have another support line right here. I mean, see what happens at that point. But overall, just my opinion, I'm a bit skeptical about going long on stuff right now until I see the indices do a bit better. We can see this box I'd shown you guys before. We can see this is an area that, you know, this box area is really causing an issue with the indices. So I want to see if we can get some positive feedback. Look at SPY. Same thing. I want to see if we can surpass these areas, you know, try break out of these areas. Then I'll know for certain that, you know, we are breaking the previous all-time highs, the previous resistance area, and we're trying to push further up. I think that is what is going to give me some confidence. Other than that, I'm still one of those people expecting things to drop so we can buy the dips, but so far, I mean, I don't know if it's Nvidia we're waiting for. We can only see tomorrow, because the earnings they do have the earnings call tomorrow. So anyway, that's all I wanted to share for today. Just a very short video on AMD, Meta. Just have a look at we had a look at Nvidia and the indices. So pretty much um VIX, I had my idea yesterday was set on, let me take this out. My idea yesterday on VIX was set on maybe we were gonna try this resistance level. It's been trying to surpass, having issues. Today we didn't see that continuation. I'm still, you know, the reason why I'm holding just a bit is I want to see, is VIX going to cross this level? Because if it does, the volatility, you know, you're going to see an impact of that on the stock market. So I'm a bit hesitant on a lot of things, a lot of good buys I'm seeing, but I'm like, okay, let me just hold on, just, you know, exercise just a bit of patience and see if, you know, will VIX pop? Will VIX drop? I mean, if VIX continues upwards, you'll see that reflect in the stock market with things slightly, stocks slightly pulling back. And if the other way happens, VIX continues dropping, then that's good. Low volatility, you'll see a much better price action. So anyway, that's all I had to share for today. Just a very short video on the selected mega caps. I mean, yeah, Mag 7 stocks as well as VIX. So thank you so much. Catch you on the next one.